Hey everybody, this is Eli here, and today I'm gonna be doing something different. I'm gonna be making a tier list of Angry Birds and Minecraft stuff. Well, probably not Minecraft stuff, but anyway. I did this on my other channel by ranking all the Thomas movies, so I decided to rank one of. So I decided to show you guys which one of these bad piggies are my favorites, and which one should be cooked. And yeah, so we have S, A, B, C, and D. So, yeah. First up is the Minion Pig. Man, we wouldn't have Piggy Tales or the official Angry Birds game without these iconic Minion Pigs. So, we're gonna put them in S tier. Do I need to say more? Without them, Angry Birds and Bad Piggies and Bad Piggies or Piggy Tales would never have existed. So, yeah. The Minion Pigs are really special to me. So, yeah. The Piggy Tales spin-off was really good. Now we can move on to the Special Pigs. Now, we don't have every pig from the Angry Birds universe. We only have a few pigs, but you know what? We'll make it work. We have Helmet Pig or Corporal Pig. Well, you see, Corporal Pig is a good. You see, he's the boss, and he was given a more disturbing look because when Dopey's on a Rope came out, he had a more disturbing look. I was like, oh my god, what happened to Corporal Pig? But yeah, he used to look like this, but now he's different. Angry Birds soon, so yeah, B tier. He's not bad. Now, Foreman Pig. We have the original Foreman Pig. Now, when I saw Foreman Pig in Angry Birds Tunes, I was like, oh my god. Oh god, what happened to Foreman Pig? Yeah, I don't know what happened to him, but hey, A tier. But you know what? I'm adding bottom row. And make it dark green, and yep, this will be known as the F tier.
You know my last name though, right?
Yep.
Yeah, I'm hurrying. I'd just like you to answer my question. There's no time.
The F tier is for the worst pigs.
I'm right there.
But here's King Pig. Man, King Pig is my favorite piggy. S tier. He is really funny. Well, you see, a king that's supposed to be like menacing and scary. Well, King Pig used to be, but he's not really fitting into his powerful king deed anymore. So yeah, he's snotty, childish, is fat idiot. It's so yeah, but hey, that doesn't stop King Pig from being a likable character. But here is Chef Pig. Man, Chef Pig deserves so much more, But instead of making the English movie 2 about Ice Age and having that character Zeta as the villain, you could have had Chef Pig as the villain, and it would be like. So, and the plot would have been like Chef Pig had completely stole King Pig's crown, and Leonard has to team up with the Angry Birds to get it back. But you know what? Yeah, and Chef Pig deserves S tier. We love you, Chef Pig. You deserve so much more. Here is Professor Pig. The pig who weighs silver. He doesn't appear in that much games. Well, now, Professor Pig doesn't really appear in that much games. You see, this is his classic Angry Birds design. And he was never an enemy or a playable character.
More accurately,
We did it.
And well, he was seen wanting, but was epic, or even in cussing in Transformers. But he mainly appeared in Inglewood's tunes and the comics.
my weapons guy Dimitri fell a second wall out of bricks.
So, yeah, Professor Pig is a B tier.
There's actually two factors.
Not helping.
Yeah.
Boys and the two innocent children that got caught in my people's
Now, Chronicler Pig. To be honest, I like Professor Pig a bit more than him. So, C tier. He didn't really appear in much. Well, he did appear in a cutscene of Angry Birds Go. I'll give him that. But meanwhile, although he never really appeared in that much games, and he was never an enemy, and he mainly appeared in Angry Birds tune, so C tier. Now Leonard, the original King Pig.
Hi, Nibbles. Yeah, I miss you too.
You know what? Leonard's A tier. Cause let's put Leonard in A tier. Cause why not? Ooh, now Woz, the pig who started Bad Piggies. That's A tier. That's an A tier pig for sure. Another A tier pig is Mechanic Pig. They basically start Angry Birds, the Bad Piggies game, but unfortunately though we don't have Postman Pig, but we do have the Alien Pig. But oh god, this guy's creeping me out. D tier. But yeah, anyways, he was this balloon pig who's supposed to be Bubbles, but B tier. The Bubbles. And this female pig, who's meant to resemble Stella, but that looks nothing like Stella. It's just a female minion pig with a bow. Yeah, I know, it's the only female pig in this tier list, but sacrifice, we have to do something. Well, the minion pig appeared in this type can appear in Hogs and Kisses, and it meant to represent Stella, but it looks nothing like her. Like Stella, she looks nothing like Stella. D tier. Now, the big pork from Inglewood Space. Man, let's go from bad to good, ladies and gentlemen. But you gotta put him in S tier. And yeah, the big pork is actually this guy is the boss of Angry Birds Space. It's really hard to kill him. So yeah, this guy's the boss. And El Porcador is also S tier. Yep. Man. Yep, we have two fat pigs in S tier. So, yeah.
I'm indestructible. But I can't wait to be announced.
They're really awesome.
Well, I'm sure you can be
Yep.
What are you talking about?
Well, I did see El Porcador once in Inglewood Seasons, in some levels of Inglewood Seasons when it was still around, and he was also made 2 appearances in Inglewood's Friends, but its revolving was in Inglewood's tunes when he only appeared in 3 episodes. So yeah. Now Zombie Pig, C tier. Yeah, it's impossible for pigs to die. But Green Day pigs. Since when did Green Day pigs look so menacing. Like, those are the Green Day pigs? Those are the Green Day pigs? D tier. And, my least favorite pig, the handsome pig. Like, he is so desperate to get Gale. He is so desperate. And when he doesn't win Gale, he cries like a baby. B. F tier. Yep. I said it. F tier. Now, Hector Poco. From Angler Space. I don't know much about him, but he's some sort of like a time travel guy, but man, he looks like the most evilest pig in the world. But man, this guy's an A tier. I don't know much about him, but yeah, this guy's going to the front of A tier. I don't know much about him, but hey, he looks real cool. Now, War Pig. I don't know what this is. I didn't even see it in Angry Birds in general. F tier. Yeah, no, F tier. Absolute F tier. Tier. And this mine can go in F tier because I didn't see it in any games. Same thing with you, F tier. This weird plus thing, I don't know. They're all. Yep, I have 4 pigs in F tier. That was muscle pig, but C tier. Not so muscular. And what is this pig? I never seen this pig before, but I'm gonna put it in B tier. Oh, I know this pig. This is the sea monster pig. Yeah, I think that's what it's called. But I didn't see it in any games, but he looks cool. Oh, S tier. Now the pilot pig. Yes, C tier. Yeah, I'm going through these fast now, but anyways, this little Jedi pig. Yeah, get yourself in B. Or A, yeah, maybe. Oh man. I guess A, C tier. No, A. You know, A, yeah, A. I think this is meant to be Dracula. So get yourself over in B. I don't know what this is, but get yourself in D. And finally, the werepig, as in werewolf. Oh man, man, this guy looks cool. Well, top of A tier.
Hey, good news. The hospital just texted me they're able to reattach Jack Fiddleman's face. Yeah. Been thinking on your part to put that face.
No, S. You know what? S tier. S tier. Top of S tier. For sure. Okay, guys, I guess that's it. It for this tier list. Let me see if I want to change anything. Well, I think I'm happy with everything for now. I guess I'll move Pilot Pig into B tier. And these Green Day pigs in F tier, because they look nothing like Green Day. Because the Warrior never used them. I think they used them once and never used them again, so they were completely pointless. That's in my opinion. So yeah, you guys are free to disagree with me. You know, this is my own personal opinion, and you can make your own tier list.
Why do we always stay all
So, yeah.
Why are you not really
And thanks for watching.